waiting for my passport picture to get printed so we can head to the U.S. Embassy. At least Cam can say it was a fucking memorable one. Maulan! We are out here in the Philippines. Your girl has officially lost my passport. I don't know if it's lost or someone stole it. But passport is nowhere to be found. And now we are taking a picture. Shout out to Cam.
I just want to feel like we're...
Shout out to my girl, sugar over there. Oh, now we're headed to the U.S. Embassy. What a first time experience for a first timer out of country, huh? It would be fucking me too. Like, what are the odds, guys? What are the odds? Ugh. Ooh, did you just buy this umbrella? Thank God it's so cheap here because I would have been tapped out, you know what I'm saying? Walking in this fucking... Oh. What's up, YouTube fam? We are eating the authentic version of Senegal. Also, your girl has gotten a period. And great news today. The lawyer has been secured. Watch this now. All y'all that was fucking sleeping on your girl, got it. About to get started. So here we go. We're doing salmon sperm facial. Shout out to my boy Hair by Donnie for the recommendation. We are at Lift Clinic in Manila.